Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about confidence, the things that bring confidence, where we lack in confidence, how to be confident. I'm super excited for this video. This is something that I have always struggled with. Before I do get started, this video is sponsored by xoMissAshleyNichole. Yay! Sponsor. We'll be talking about them here in a little bit, but yeah. Let's talk about confidence. So what I've done is I've compiled a list together of 10 things that make me feel confident when I feel like I need a little boost of confidence, which is pretty often. It is very important that you start and end your day with positivity. And this can be anything. This can be any kind of positive stimuli. This can be a positive podcast. This could be positive, uplifting music in the morning. This could be not going on social media in the morning until noon, giving you that time and space to just kind of be alone and not compare yourself to other people. Music is a big deal for me in the morning, so I have a playlist that I play every single morning that pumps me up and makes me think positive thoughts, makes me think positively about myself, and it really puts me in a good mindset for my day. Does anyone else do that? Now, a quick fix to confidence for me has always been shaving. Sometimes I'll go a few days, sometimes I'll go a few weeks without shaving, and it really affects how I feel about myself. I feel a little self-conscious. So for me, inevitably, shaving makes me feel more confident, and I know I'm not alone in this. So that's why I partnered up with xoMissAshleyNichole for this video, especially if I'm going to like an event or I'm wearing a dress or something like that and I need a little extra boost of confidence. Having that extra close shave really makes a huge difference for me. xoMissAshleyNichole 5 provides the closest shave. So if you want a shave that gives you an extra boost of confidence, click the link below and get your own xoMissAshleyNichole products. Self-talk has become a really big thing for me in my life, and it doesn't have to be for a big event, even though that's kind of where it originated. If I had a big project or a big speaking event, or I had a big event where I went and met some of you guys maybe, I would get really nervous and I didn't know how to fix that, and I would feel very unconfident. And what I've learned to do is in the morning while I'm getting ready to like look at myself in the mirror and have a positive conversation about myself with myself. To be able to look at myself in the mirror and say that I am strong, that I am bold, that I am fully capable of taking on this day, and that I am beautiful, and that I can handle all the stresses that life brings. Over time, you're going to start thinking about yourself differently and in a more positive light. Another little quick fix for me is heels, and I don't know about you guys, but for my entire life, it doesn't matter what I'm wearing, it doesn't matter how I'm feeling. If I throw on a pair of heels, even just a small heel, my confidence goes up so much more. Heels are sexy, heels are fun. I feel taller, I feel like my posture gets better, I can walk into a room more confidently, and I don't know, it just gives me that like feminine confidence that I lack a lot of times. So not only do I think you should wait till halfway through your day to get on social media, but I also think you should be very aware of who you follow on social media. There are some amazing people out there that are inspirational, that are just positive influences out there on social media, and I appreciate them so much, and it's so important that you follow those people. But while there are those healthy, positive people on social media, there are also the negative that actually make you compare yourself to them, that actually affect the way you view yourself, and that's not healthy, and it has nothing to do with them and everything to do with you. So it doesn't matter if you like the person or the celebrity that you follow. If they make you view yourself differently and make you compare yourself to them or make you feel like you're unworthy or less than, you should really unfollow them, because they're not healthy, they're not helping you, and they're not bringing anything good in your life anyways, so you're not missing out on anything. Mute them, block them, unfollow them, whatever it is you want to do it. I guarantee you it's gonna help you out a lot. Another quick confidence booster for me is makeup. It's always been makeup, and while I try very hard not to wear a lot of makeup every single day, there are little things that I love to do when I am feeling gross, when I feel like my skin looks awful, or when I feel like I have no confidence or my hair's a wreck. There is something about a red lip that literally takes my confidence level up 5 notches. If I'm at a 5, then I'm immediately feeling like a 10 because I have a solid red lip on. Red lips are sexy, red lips are fun, and in my opinion, red lips are very confident. So if you feel like you're lacking confidence, throw on a red lip. You'll feel confident really fast. This next one is a little more particular for me when it comes to big events or big photo shoots, but this could work for you. How I feel on the inside really affects how I feel on the outside. Food is very important in that way. So if I have a big photo shoot coming up, I try really hard to make sure that I eat really clean a couple days beforehand so that I feel my fittest and lightest when I'm doing that photo shoot. Does that make sense? And it doesn't have to be photo shoot related at all. If you just had a burrito the night before and you have a meeting in the morning, that's really going to affect how you feel. So just be sure to eat food that is light and that gives you energy and doesn't weigh you down. And I think you're gonna feel a lot more confident if you do. Dress the part. And I'm really speaking to myself right here. I love jeans and a t-shirt. Obviously, that's what I wear 90% of the time. Something I like to do is to dress funky. I will throw on a bold print, or I will throw on a bold blazer, or a big necklace, or a lot of jewelry, like too much jewelry. Just kind of being more original and fun and different in that way, in the way that I dress, really makes me walk out of my place and into the world so much more confidently, because people are always complimenting me on my outfits when I put more work and effort into them. Try doing something different with the way you dress, and it doesn't have to be crazy, or it could be crazy. Dress however you want, do something different, put it on, and walk out there with the most confident look, and I guarantee you, you'll feel better about yourself. So when I was brainstorming for this video, I asked a group of my friends what they like to do when it comes to giving themselves a little boost of confidence, and I'm not kidding, unanimously, they all said when they're tan, they feel more confident. And I could not agree more. So whether it's a fake tan or it's the real deal, I feel like a goddess when my skin is glowing. So if that's something that you think would really affect you in a positive way, smear it on or go lay out a little bit and get that glow on, because I get you, I feel you. I learned this in college, and one of my professors told us that holding a power pose for a few minutes is really effective and really affects the way that you think and really relaxes you, and actually really does give you that boost of confidence. So if you haven't tried that before, you should definitely give it a go. Every midterm and final, he would put on a song and we would pick a power pose and we would hold it for the entirety of the song. It was so much fun. It was a stress buster, but also I sat down feeling more confident and ready to take my test. So the next time you're feeling low, or you have a huge event that you're nervous for, or you just need a boost of confidence to get out and do your day, then hold a Superman pose. Or any pose you want, really. I usually just always tend to go for the Superman pose. Hold it for 5 minutes or for a whole song. Let me know how you feel afterwards, because I guarantee you it's going to make you feel so much more confident than you did before. And that is the end of this video. I really hope that this was super helpful for you guys. If it was, let me know in the comments below. Let me know which of these tips resonates with you, and if you try any of them, please send me pictures on Instagram. I'd love to see that. If not, if you don't want to send me a picture, that's fine. No pressure. Just leave me comments below letting me know which one you like the most. Also, like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell for notifications so that you get notified every time that I upload a video. A big thank you again to Chic Hydro Silk for sponsoring this video. You guys are the best, and thank you for making us feel more confident. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be coming soon. Yep.